You were not born to be average. You were built to rise, conquer, and leave a legacy. Think about that for a moment. Let it sink in. Every fiber of your being, every cell in your body, every spark of your spirit was designed for greatness. Not mediocrity, not just getting by, but true, earth-shaking greatness. Look around you. The world is full of people settling for less, accepting the hand they've been dealt, and sleepwalking through life. But that's not you. You're different. You've always known it, haven't you? That restlessness in your soul, that fire in your belly, that voice in your head telling you there's more out there for you, that's your destiny calling? You see, average is a choice. It's a comfortable lie we tell ourselves to avoid the hard work, the risks, and the potential for failure that come with pursuing our true potential. But you're not here for comfort, are you? You're here because deep down, you know you're capable of so much more. Imagine for a second what your life could look like if you fully embraced your power. Picture the goals you'd achieve, the lives you'd impact, the legacy you'd build. It's breathtaking, isn't it? That vision isn't just a dream, it's a glimpse of what you're truly capable of. But here's the thing, that future isn't going to hand itself to you on a silver platter. It's not going to come knocking on your door while you're binge-watching Netflix. No, that future, your future, is out there waiting for you to claim it. It's waiting for you to rise up, to push past your limits, to conquer your fears, and to become the person you were always meant to be. Think about the great men and women throughout history who changed the world. Do you think they were content with being average? Do you think they let self-doubt, fear, or the opinions of others hold them back? Of course not. They understood a fundamental truth that you need to embrace right now. Greatness is a choice. Every morning when you wake up, you have a decision to make. Will you settle for less than you're capable of, or will you push yourself to new heights? Will you let your circumstances define you, or will you define your circumstances? Will you be a passive observer in your own life, or will you take the reins and steer yourself towards greatness? The path to greatness isn't easy. It's filled with obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt. There will be times when you want to give up, when the voice of mediocrity whispers that it's okay to settle. But that's precisely when you need to dig deep, to remember why you started this journey in the first place. You were built for more than just existing. You were built to thrive, to excel, to leave your mark on this world. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow stronger. Every setback is a chance to come back even harder. Every moment of doubt is an invitation to prove yourself wrong. Think about the people in your life, your family, your friends, your community. They're watching you. Some are rooting for you, others might be doubting you, but all of them will be impacted by the choices you make. When you choose greatness, you not just changing your own life, you resetting an example that can inspire others to reach for their own potential. Your legacy isn't something that starts when you're gone. It's something you're building right now, with every decision you make, with every action you take. Are you building a legacy of mediocrity, of what-ifs and if-onlys? Or are you crafting a legacy of courage, of perseverance, of relentless pursuit of your dreams? The world doesn't need more average. The world is drowning in average. What the world needs, what it's crying out for, are people like you. People who refuse to settle, who dare to dream big, who have the audacity to believe they can make a difference. You have gifts, talents, and abilities that are uniquely yours. No one else in the history of the world has had your exact combination of experiences, skills, and perspective. That makes you invaluable. That makes you irreplaceable. That makes you capable of contributing something to this world that no one else can. But those gifts aren't meant to be hidden away. They're not meant to be dimmed or downplayed. They're meant to be shared, to be developed, to be used in service of something greater than yourself. Your potential is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. So I challenge you, right here, right now. Take a hard look at your life. Are you playing small? Are you holding back? Are you letting fear, doubt, or the opinions of others keep you from becoming the person you're meant to be? If so, it's time for a change. It's time to declare war on mediocrity in your life. Start by setting goals that scare you a little. If your dreams don't make you a bit uncomfortable, they're not big enough. Push yourself beyond what you think you're capable of. Embrace the discomfort that comes with growth. Remember, the greatest achievements in history were once considered impossible until someone decided to prove otherwise. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, who push you to be better, who refuse to let you settle for less than your best. Cut ties with the naysayers, the dream killers, the ones who try to drag you down to their level. Your environment shapes you, so create an environment that nurtures your greatness. Develop a relentless work ethic. Talent is important, but it's not enough. The world is full of talented people who never reach their potential because they are not willing to put in the work. Be the one who outworks everyone else. Be the one who shows up early, stays late, and never stops learning and improving. Embrace failure as a teacher, not an enemy. Every successful person you admire has failed more times than you can count. The difference is they didn't let those failures define them. They learned from them, grew from them, and came back stronger. Your failures don't diminish you, they prepare you for your eventual success. Cultivate a mindset of gratitude and abundance. It's easy to focus on what you lack, on the obstacles in your way. But when you shift your focus to all that you have, to the opportunities around you, you open yourself up to possibilities you might have otherwise missed. Remember, the journey to greatness is just that, a journey. It's not about reaching a destination and then stopping. It's about continual growth, about constantly pushing your boundaries, about always striving to be better today than you were yesterday. You have everything you need within you right now to start this journey. You don't need permission. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment. All you need is the courage to take that first step, and then the determination to keep going no matter what. So rise up, conquer your fears. Leave a legacy that will inspire generations to come. Because you were not born to be average, you were built for greatness. And the world is waiting for you to show up in all your glory. The choice is yours. Will you settle for a life of mediocrity, or will you answer the call to greatness that's been echoing in your soul? Your future self is watching, hoping you'll make the right choice. Don't let them down. Don't let yourself down. Rise, conquer, leave your mark. The time is now. Your destiny awaits.